think we're gonna get there. Are we approximating yet? I'm waiting. There we go. Okay, so we're approximating. So the big picture thing that I'm trying to get across that I feel isn't getting across is the conceptual side of this. So when we talk about, I'm trying to get across to them that two things don't come across. The first thing that doesn't come across strongly enough is you can't do this exactly. You have to resort to an approximation. The second piece that I'm not getting across in this one is their intuition, their physical intuition that's building that tells them about what that answer should be before the calculator does. So in this particular example, I do love the calculator, by the way. Let me talk you through a specific one, and then we'll come up and try to do it more general. The question was 10 to what power equals 233. How I would really build intuition in class is I would say 10 to the first is what power? 10. 10 squared is what power?
100.
10 cubed is? 1,000. 1, 100, 1,000. Where is 233 sitting?
Between
100 and 1,000. Okay. So the problem is you just went through the integers. 10 squared, 10 cubed. You just told me 10 squared was 100, and you told me 10 cubed was 1,000. Those are exact. You can do them exactly. Your problem, your challenge is that I said 10 to what power is 233, and you don't have that here. I don't have it here, right? So the challenge here is we have to use technology to hone in. Well, before you start pressing buttons, think. What should that number be between? Well, you know that 233 is between 100 and 1,000. So you know if this is 10 squared and this is 10 cubed, this has to be what? 10 to what power?
2 point something.
2 point something, right? Okay. Then the calculator comes up and so two things happen. The first thing is they really focused on I can't do everything exactly, the difference between exact and approximation. The second piece is they thought about what that answer should be. If they press the wrong button and they tell you it's negative 7.2, they don't know the difference. That's what I'm trying to, this is the conceptual piece. They trust that calculator and do not know it. I want them to guess. Their gut has to guess before they touch the calculator. Then the calculator goes, oh, by the way, oh yeah, 2.367. And if I really was getting funny about it, I'd say this is closer to this than this. So I expect it to be more towards 2 than 3. But that's the piece. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the piece that I'm trying to figure out how to get that into this medium. And part of me feels with the visuals, we could somehow put them on a number line. Like 10 to the first is 10, 10 to the second is 100, 10 cubed is 1,000. Where's your number sitting? 233 is here, and kind of hone in some way or dive in. So your intuition knows that it's some number 2 point something, something, something. And then the calculator comes up. So I think there's a way to do it. I'm not sure how to.
You're creating a contextual frame.
And so guys, short of videoing every single lecture that I've ever given in my life, how can we figure out how to get that to there?
Pause.
Okay.